I've shown you before how to create a WhatsApp number link in your spreadsheet. We're going to use :/ the number. But if you're copying and pasting WhatsApp numbers into Google Sheets like this, you have this like +1, you're going to end up with some errors like this. I'm going to show you how to fix this error very quickly. So we're going to select these errors, which are all the numbers, and they've added this equal sign because in Google Sheets with a plus sign, it thinks you're doing math, but we're not. We have a phone number. So we're going to do Command F, and we're going to click those 3 buttons here. We're going to make sure we have our selected range, or specific range selected, and we're going to put an equal sign and a plus sign here, and we're going to replace it with nothing. Make sure you also search within formulas because unfortunately these are all turned into formulas. They're not just text. Click Replace All, and now you will see these are all the regular numbers without that plus sign. But you'll still have some errors with these spaces and hyphens. So let's get rid of those as well. So select those as well, Command F again, and click the 3 more options. We want to take this hyphen, replace it with nothing, also search within formulas just in case. Click Replace All, and then the final thing we want to do is add a space here and find. Make sure Replace All is not a space, it's nothing, and click Replace All, and we now have done. We have our WhatsApp links available. Our errors are all fixed. These are the real numbers. These are numbers with the country code, and WhatsApp it'll work with them totally fine. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, consider subscribing here on YouTube to Better Sheets.